Hey everyone, welcome back. Is a Roblox opening to a black screen that never goes away on your iPhone? This is a really common bug, and here's the three things that fixes. First, force close Roblox completely by swiping it up from your recent apps and swiping it away. Then, go to your phone settings, the airplane mode on. Wait 15 seconds and then turn it back off. After the network resets, open Roblox again. The black screen is almost always caused by a failed connection to Roblox servers, and a fresh network start clears it. If the black screen is still there after that, go to the App Store, tap on your profile picture at the top right, and check if Roblox has an update waiting. Tap Update if it does. The June 2026 Roblox outage caused black screens for millions of players, and reinstalling or updating fixed it. If there is no update available, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, scroll down to find Roblox, then click Offload app. Once you offload it, go to the App Store, search for Roblox, and reinstall it fresh from App Store. So all you gotta do is force close Roblox, airplane mode reset, update from App Store, or offload and reinstall if needed. Black screen will be gone. Subscribe for more Roblox fixes every day.